today I have made this JCB. JCB has a basket in which it will carry things, and then it will go at the destination, and then it will drop that, and then it will pick up the other things, and it will go at another place and drop that. So here in my JCB I have 3 motors. So 2 motors for going forward and reverse, and this is the lifting mechanism. So I have made a video on lifting mechanism also. So here in lifting mechanism, when the motor will work, at that time this basket will go up and down, up and down. So what will happen is I have fitted a ultrasonic sensor. So what will happen if there is something in the range of 20 to 30 centimeter? If this is 20 to 30 centimeter, then the ultrasonic sensor will sense it that this is 20 to 30 centimeter. So in between it senses my hand, so the car will stop and this basket will go up. After that the car will go reverse, and after that again it will go in the forward direction. Then if there is something in the range of 10 to 20 centimeter, if my hand is in between the range of 10 to 20 centimeter, then the car will stop and the basket which was first up, it will come down, and then again the car will go in reverse direction and again continue in forward direction. So let's see what are the codes for this. So here the codes are: int motor 1 is equal to 6, int motor 2 is equal to 5, int IN1 lift is equal to 13, int IN2 lift is equal to 12, int eco is equal to 10, int trig is equal to 9. Then void setup, pin mode, motor 1, output, motor 2, output, IN1 lift, output, IN2 lift, output, eco, input, trig, output, serial dot begin 9600. Then void loop, digital write, trig, high, delay microseconds 10, digital write, trig, low, delay microseconds 10. Int t is equal to pulse in eco, high, int d is equal to 0.017 star t. So this were the codes to activate the ultrasonic sensor. After that, serial dot print d is equal to serial dot print lnd. After that, if d is greater than 30, means there is nothing in the range of 30 centimeter, then forward digital write, motor 1, low, analog write, motor 2, 100. So now what is analog write? So analog write is used to control the speed of motor. So as you can see, I have connected the motors at pin number 6 and pin number 5. So these both pins are PWM pins. PWM pins are used to control the speed of motor, volume of a buzzer, intensity of a light. After that, if d is greater than 20 and 30 is greater than d, this means that if there is something in the range of 20 to 30 centimeter, then stop, up and reverse. So the car will stop for 3 seconds and this basket of the JCB will go up. Now it's in up position. And then motor 1, 100. So the car will go in reverse, and then IN1 lift, low, 2, low, delay 3000. So the car will go in reverse direction for 3 seconds. After that, if d is greater than 10 and 20 is greater than d, this means that if there is something in the range of 10 to 20 centimeter, then stop, down and reverse. So the car will again stop for 3 seconds, and in that time this our JCB lifting mechanism will go down. Then analog write, motor 1, 100, then digital write, motor 2, low, IN1 lift, low, IN2 lift, low, delay 3000. So the car will again go in reverse direction for 3 seconds. So here this is my car. Now I will connect my car to the adapter. So as you can see, all the light is glowing and the car is also moving. So now I will just show you how it's working. So here the car is working, it's going in forward direction. Now here my hand is between 10 to 20 centimeters, so the basket gone down. Now my hand was at, now there was a box at the distance of 20 to 30 centimeters. So this JCB came up. Now again I will place my hand in the range of 10 to 20 centimeters. So now the JCB is going down. Now it gone in reverse direction. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then please DM me on my Instagram handle. Link is given in the description box. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.